Bunny down to the ground. Rich our bro friend, Jammiwood. It's Qurious King, you know what I mean? Talk to them, baby.
You're the type of boy that every girl wants to meet. But what the hell I'm for the house when you start with them in the streets? My youth, you're dangerous. Why you dealing with the girl I'm so rough? Oh no, hey, why you're dangerous? Why you dealing with them girl I'm so tough? Oh no, hey, I say you sting like a bee, but you flow like a butterfly. First part relationship, I used to tell myself that there couldn't be a better guy. Now I'm about to take a flight. I'm so tired of the sleepless night. Now everything start come to light. Instead of love me right now, you want to fight. Young boy, you're dangerous. Why you dealing with the girl? I'm so rough. No, hey.
You're the type of girl that every man wants to know. And powder out when them really get to know you. Young girl, you dangerous. Why you deal with eyes so rough? Girl, you're dangerous. Girl, you're too dangerous. I give love and you gave hate in return. Next time I meet a pretty girl, at least my lesson I will learn. Pretty face with the devilish mentality. I'm telling you, it's like it's a fatality. I can't breathe. Look like you're working with the devil. You're not on the king level. But you're the type of girl that every man wants to know. But Ellen powder out when them really get to know you. Young girl, you dangerous. Yo, sir.
Yo.
How are they?
No, me even know dog.
How long are they, sir?
Right now, me even know dog. Right now, a little charming girl hold me and take me dog. Fall in love with the beauty in the beast.
Yo, pretty girl, then I had one place a while ago and I'm not reason to wake up and go.
Right now, you come and say, yo, right now, me think me know the girl there dog. She jumped me off and make me there as a twin dog. Right now, me are frost out right now.
You have food at door?
Yes, yeah, I'm play look Marga down right now. Put some more dog on him.
Why you deal with eyes so rough? Young girl, you dangerous. You're the type of girl that every man wants to know. Ellen powder house when them truly get to know you. Young girl, you dangerous. Oh no, you ain't no joke. Smile with me, wanna cut my throat. No, mommy want me long time ago. Don't let pretty faces lead you to sorrow.